Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, and welcome to Apprenons Ensemble. French for Beginners, Conjugation, Lesson 13. The third group verbs, subgroup, diary, present tense, recap. Le troisième groupe, verbe, sous-groupe, DRE, temps présent, récapitulatif. Okay. So we say that the third group verb can be divided into subgroups. So in this part, we are going to talk about the verbs ending with DRE. So as soon as a verb ends with DRE, it can belong to one of these three subgroups. Okay. So the first one will be nothing but the regular third group verb. Okay. So here we have an example. So rendre. Okay, and we do have some example of this group, some verb belonging to the group. Okay, so any verb ending with just DRE, then you can fix it, you can put it in this group. So if there is another verb ending with a DRE, but before the DRE we have PREN, then it should be in the group of verbs ending with a PREN DRE. So if you take this verb, you will see that it's comprendre. Inside we have it ends with a PREN DRE. Okay, so here we have some verb from this group. Okay, and the last one is O or A or E followed by IN DRE. Okay, so OIN DRE, AIN DRE, EIN DRE. So here is an example, atteindre. Okay, so EIN DRE, and here we have some verb belonging to this subgroup. Okay, so let's repeat again. So whenever it ends with DRE, now I should check what comes before DRE. If I have PREN before DRE, then here. If I have OIN or AIN or EIN followed by DRE, then here. If it is only DRE, then here. Understood this part? Okay, fine. So let's start with the first one. So we'll take a verb. So whenever we need to conjugate any the regular third group verbs, okay, here is how we are going to do it. We are going to have the verb which will be equal to the root plus RE. So to get the root of the verb, I'm going to remove RE. So from my example, I'm just going to remove RE from the verb to obtain the root. Okay, understood this one? So now for je, I'll remove the RE and I'll put S. For tu, you remove RE, you put S. For il, you add nothing. For elle, same, you add nothing. For nous, after the root, ONS. For vous, after the root, EZ. For il plural, after the root, ENT. For elle plural, after the root, ENT. So this part is very important. So for regular third group, it will end with DRE. But to get the root or that fixed part, we are removing only RE. Okay, fine. Now let's look at the second subgroup. Okay, so now for any verb ending with PRE and DRE, okay, to obtain the root this time, see what we'll do. We'll do verb plus DRE. Okay, so here to obtain the root, we are removing DRE. But here to obtain the root, we are just removing RE. So this is very important. We need to pay attention. Okay, so for verb ending with PRE and DRE, to obtain that fixed part, we need to remove RE. But for verb ending with only DRE, we need to remove only RE. This is very important. Okay, now let's come back to that PRE and DRE. So we are going to remove the DRE. Now for je, we are adding DS. For tu, DS. For il, singular, D. For elle, we are adding D. For nous, we are adding ONS. For vous, we are adding EZ. For il plural, we are adding NENT. This one is very important. So if you look at this verb, okay, I'm removing DRE and I'm adding NENT. So we'll have double N. So the N here and the second N. So it should be double N. Okay. For elle plural, NENT. Okay. This is very important. Now for the last group, Now let's look at the last group. The last group also, you need to understand properly how to conjugate this one. So, verb will be equal to N plus DRE. Okay? So, here I'm going to divide the verb into 3 parts. So, I will have the root, then N, then DRE. Okay? This is very, very important. So, when it is only DRE, verb ending with DRE, I'm just removing RE to get the root. Okay? When it ends with a PRE and DRE, I'm removing. Sorry, let me repeat. When it ends with DRE, I'm removing RE to obtain the root. Okay? When it ends with PRE and DRE, I remove DRE to obtain the root. Okay? When it ends with OIN, DRE, AIN, DRE, or EIN, DRE, I need to remove DRE, and the N before the DRE also, I need to pay attention to it because we are going to use it very soon. Okay? Then the remaining will be the root. Okay? So for je, it will be root plus N plus S. So that DRE I'm removing and I'm putting S. For tu, root plus N plus S. Il, root plus N plus T. Elle, root plus N plus T. Nous, root plus GN plus ONS. Vous, root plus GN plus IZ. Il plural, root plus GN plus INT. Elle plural, root plus GN plus INT. So if you pay attention, from nous, vous, il and elle plural, that N changes to GN. Okay, that's why we said we need to pay attention to this one. Okay, so that's why for the verb itself, we'll divide it into 3 parts. So DR, then the N, then the remaining will be nothing but the root. Okay, this is very important. So let's do an example. So for the example, I'm going to take descendre for the first one. So what they say if the verb ends with DRE, to get the fixed part, I'm going to remove RE. So here it will be the verb plus RE. Okay, for any verb ending with DRE, I need to get the fixed part, I need to remove RE from the verb. Okay, now for je, I need to add S. So this is the root. So you see, for all of them, I just added the root. Now I need to add S for je, S for tu. For il, elle singular, nothing. I'm just leaving as it is. For nous, ONS. Okay. For vous, IZ. For il plural, INT. For elle plural, INT. So let's practice, let's read. So now I have underlined. So the part that I have underlined means we should not read this part. We should pronounce this part. Okay. So the verb itself is descendre. Descendre. Okay. So je descends. You see, I'm not pronouncing D, neither the S also. Tu descends. Il descend. Elle descend. Nous descendons. So here, don't pronounce the S. Vous descendez. So EZ will change to E accent aigu. So please, you need to remember this one. EZ at the end of the verb will be pronounced A, like English alphabet A. Okay, so vous descendez, ils descendent. ENT at the end of the verb is pronounced E, and it will be called a mute E. So I'm not pronouncing the mute E, I'll pronounce the D before. So that's what I'm saying. Ils descendent. Okay, elles descendent. So same logic. So ENT at the end you should not pronounce E, but since it's a mute E, so we are not pronouncing, but instead we pronounce the D. Okay, so elles descendent. Understood this one? So please pay attention. So one more time, when a verb ends with DRE, to get the root, I just need to remove RE from the verb. Okay. Now let's do an example for the PRE and DRE. So here I'm taking the verb surprendre, to surprise. Okay. So here, what's the logic? We said to get the root of verb ending with PRE and DRE, I need to remove DRE from the verb. Okay, that's what I did here. So, surprendre, I'm removing the DRE. Okay. For je, I'm adding S to the stem, to that fixed part. For tu, I'm adding ds again to that fixed part. For il, I'm adding d. For elle, I'm adding d. Okay. For nous, I'm adding ons. For vous, I'm adding ez. And for il plural, I'm adding nent. For elle plural, I'm adding nent. So this one is very important. Okay. So you see here, there is already one n. So to that n, I'm adding another n. So we will have double n for il and elle plural. Okay, now let's pronounce. So je surprends, I'm not pronouncing de. Tu surprends, don't pronounce de again. Il surprend, don't pronounce d. Elle surprend, don't pronounce d. Nous surprenons, don't pronounce ons. Vous surprenez, don't pronounce ez. And ez at the end will be pronounced like an English alphabet E. So vous surprenez. Ils surprennent, ent at the end of a verb is pronounced like a e. Okay, and e at the end is called a mute e, so we are not pronouncing this e. So ils surprennent. Finally, elles surprennent, so same logic, ent, so we pronounce e, and mute e, don't pronounce. So elles surprennent. Okay, understood this one? Okay, now let's do an example for the OIN diary, AIN diary, EIN diary. Okay, so here we take join, so to join. Okay, so what we said for this type of verb we have root plus n plus diary. So that's what we did here. So we divided this verb into these three parts. So diary at the end, then the n here, and then the remaining will be nothing but the fixed part. Now for je, I need to have that root plus n and then s. So that fixed part plus n plus s. For tu, fixed part plus n plus s. So tu, fixed part plus n plus s. Il, fixed part plus n plus t. Il, fixed part plus n plus t. Elle, fixed part plus n plus t. Elle, fixed part plus n plus t. Nous, fixed part, now that n will change to gn, then ons. So for nous, fixed part, then gn, then ons. For vous, fixed part, then gn, then ez. So vous, fixed part, gn, ez. Il plural, fixed part, gn, ent. Okay, il plural, fixed part, gn, ent. Elle plural, pardon me, fixed part plus gn plus ent. Elle plural, fixed part, gn, ent. Okay. So now how to pronounce? So don't pronounce the s here. Je joins. Je joins. Tu joins. Okay. Il joint. Don't pronounce the t. Elle joint. Don't pronounce the t. Now the gn will be pronounced nya, like a y, like a letter y. So nous joignons. Nous joignons. Joignons. Please try. Repeat after me. Nous joignons. Okay, very good. Nous joignons. Next one. Vous joignez. Okay. Repeat again after me. Vous joignez. Very good. Vous joignez. Now, il plural. Ils joignent. So here the ent we are not pronouncing. So it will be like a silent e. So I'm pronouncing only the y here. So ils joignent. Okay, very nice. Elles joignent. Same logic. So ent, silent e, don't pronounce. Elles joignent. Okay. So this is very important for this subgroup. Okay. So when it ends with diary, when a verb ends with diary, so we have three possibilities. Okay. So we have so you need to look at what comes before the diary. So we have, if you have OIN or AIN or EIN before the diary, then here in this subgroup. If instead we have PREN before the diary, then in this group. If you have nothing matching these two groups, these two subgroups, then you put it in the regular third group. Okay, and please, you need to remember this conjugation. Okay, these are very important. So if you still have some doubt about this subgroup, please, you are welcome to drop me a message in the message box. Okay, I will get back to you as soon as possible. This is it for today's class. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video. Merci, au revoir.